have the remix, call me. From the other days, like I play some boy I play. Me hear the girls calling, hear the girls bawling, hear the girls crying out. She's a baby.
I want a dude with the wickedest slang. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. I want a dude who would time it to the fan. I thought back and tangle his biz like a man. I want a dude with the wickedest slang. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. I want a dude who would do me in his fan. I thought back and tangle his biz like his biz like.
Hey, with this video, me not have to ask Christ. Me know say you gonna get copyright, but me not think me gonna get a strike. But me not remove the music. If me remove the music, you gonna take the fun out of it. And the daughter and the mother combination plus the cartel song is a buzz, is a vibe. So let's watch and enjoy. And everything about money. So me just gonna demonetize the video. And hopefully YouTube don't strike it down. So we can watch it and laugh and enjoy. Run it! I'll stop talk. If you want to watch the rest of that video, you have to watch the video until the end. Anyways, the video are kind of different. We gotta do some music tonight. As I said, the video there will be at the end of the video. Now, see, we have one nice lady here, like America she there. She listen Dexter Up, you know, so Dexter Up is a different kind of vibes, you know, man. Watch her now. She in the mood. Dexter Up to that too, man, you know. Anyways, the same lady and her daughter is like mother era of dancehall versus daughter era. So you know, so she'll go back in a Beanie Man and Sean Paul, and then the daughter I go stick to like Shensia and Skillibang rather. Sorry, Skillibang, mash up your name. Not too know nothing about modern dancehall. But anyways, let's watch it and laugh. Don't watch it and enjoy rather. By the way, you like if you did, like if you did for me, man. Yeah, man.
Fuck me looking at me, I got me, she say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love, it's straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it?
You think I coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi circle down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Me did only one little dealing. Love you did I look you must sit down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Me a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, you eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze. Now Jesus, I wanna make you feel so. Throw me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did once, and me never need you. It's enough for people know keep it on a deal.
You want a proper fix? Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want the cheese sticks? Call me. Me have the remix? Call me. From the other days, like I play some boy I play. Me hear the girls calling, hear the girls bawling, hear the girls crying out. She's a baby.
I want a dude with the wickedest slang. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. I want a dude who would time it to the fan. I thought back and tangle his biz like a man. I want a dude with the wickedest slang. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. I want a dude who would do me in his fan. I thought back and tangle his biz like his biz like.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man she love, 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 yeah, bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fucking.
Respect for watching. Now stay safe and God bless.